Hey everyone, welcome to Make It Merry with Walmart. And today we are gonna have fun creating this ornament Christmas tree wall art using Apple Barrel multi-surface. Let's get started. So the supplies that you'll need is a box of clear glass ornaments, your Apple Barrel multi-surface paint in your favorite color palette, Hello Hobby brush set, some extra special ornaments with a vintage shape. You'll need a canvas for your tree, a glue gun, and a craft knife. Okay, so the first step to make our Christmas ornament tree is to pour your glass balls. I've got a great assortment of glass balls, and you're simply gonna remove the top of each one, and then picking your two coordinating Apple Barrel multi-surface colors. I'm always gonna do a blue and a blue, or a pink and a pink, or a red and a pink. You're simply gonna squeeze a little bit of paint, and not too much, because you can always add paint. A little bit of paint with your two coordinating colors into your glass ornament. And then once you've got paint in there, you are just gonna move it around and tap it until the entire inside is marbleized together. So once you've moved your paint around, it's completely covered in that beautiful swirl pattern. Just set it to the side to dry. And then using your second colors, I'm going to use a light pink and a dark pink, and the exact same technique. Squeeze paint into the ornament, two coordinating colors, and you're going to repeat that until you have all of your ornaments painted and swirled together. Next, I have found the greatest vintage ornaments also at Walmart, and I am going to simply base coat those white. And then I'm also going to base coat these vintage brown ornaments with white. So once you've base coated all of your ornaments and they're white and then they're dry, I am going to accent all of the little vintage elements with color. So I'm going to accent this little elf's hat with this really pretty teal blue. And just pick the areas that you want to add color to. And then the rest of the ornament will stay a nice clean white. So once all your ornaments are painted, you are going to base coat your canvas, which is the background for your Christmas tree. I'm using Summer Sky, and I'm simply going to apply a solid base coat to my large canvas. So the final step is once everything is dry, your canvas, your ornaments, and you laid everything out. You've got the order that you want, you've got your color order exactly as you want it. I've got a great tip. So to glue a round ornament to a flat surface will work, but the durability is not there because you won't have a lot of area to apply the glue. So I've got a little tip. While everything is laid out, I want you to pick up each round ornament and make an X on your canvas where the ornament will attach, where you will place glue. So once you've applied all of your little X's, what I want you to do with an X-Acto blade is cut through the canvas a small X. You don't want it to be too big because you want to keep the strength and the structure of the canvas. But see that little X? What that allows when you apply your glue is it gives you like a little pocket. It gives you more surface area for your ornament to attach. So that is our little trick for gluing our ornaments to our flat canvas. Okay, so once you have cut your little X's, you're simply gonna apply some hot glue over that X, and then you're going to place your ornament. So now all of your round ornaments are attached. To add your little vintage characters, just find a place for them and set them on your canvas. And those are easy to glue because they've got a lot more surface area. And then this little wood planter, a great surface, I'm going to leave it natural, and I'm going to simply glue that to the bottom to create the basket or the box that my Christmas tree sits in. And then my ornament Christmas tree wall art is all done. For more project ideas and inspiration, go to plaidonline.com and visit your local Walmart.